The Mother's 07251 NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit is an essential solution for anyone looking to restore the clarity and functionality of their vehicle's headlights. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed to effectively remove oxidation and hazing from polycarbonate lenses, which not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the vehicle, but also significantly improves nighttime visibility and safety. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the application process straightforward, even for those without extensive DIY experience. The kit is designed for users to achieve professional-grade results at home, eliminating the need for costly replacements or professional services. With the 8FL Oz formula, there's plenty of product to tackle multiple applications or to refresh the headlights of more than one vehicle. The included polishing pad is a thoughtful addition, as it effectively pairs with the cleaning solution to deliver a polished shine. Users have reported a noticeable difference in headlight clarity after just one application, with many stating that their headlights look as good as new. Moreover, the gentle formula is safe for all surfaces, providing peace of mind that various vehicle finishes will remain unharmed.